It is the 18th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about Medicaid data sharing. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, le Sénat américain reste très ouvert. The American Senate remained very open. Next, le Trésor montre une pièce de $1 avec Trump. The Treasury shows a $1 coin with Trump. And des campagnes envoient des textos avec l'IA. Campaigns send text message with AI. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. ICE partage des données Medicaid avec Palantir. Now let us decode it word by word. ICE is the name of the US Immigration Agency. Partager means shares. Des données means data. Avec means with. Palantir is the company name. So the headline says ICE shares Medicaid data with Palantir. One useful pattern here is des before a plural noun. Des données shows more than one piece of data. ICE partage des données Medicaid avec Palantir. ICU shares Medicaid data with Palantir. Partage comes from partager, to share, and it is the key verb in today's story. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Ces données arrivent après un partage en janvier. These data come after a sharing in January. Après is a simple time connector. It tells you this event comes later. More examples in the lesson sheet. De nouveaux documents montrent ce transfert. New documents show this transfer. Documents is a useful news word for papers and records that show new information. Un juge limite déjà le partage des données. A judge already limits the sharing of the data. Limite is a formal news verb meaning puts a limit on something. Les procureurs disent que les données sont difficiles à protéger. The attorneys general say that the data are difficult to protect. Today's word is procureurs. Say it with me, procureurs. Listen for the French, EU. Sound in the middle. Now for the pattern of the day. Partager. To share. Je partage. Tu partages. Il partage. Nous partageons. Vous partagez. Il partage. The headline uses the il. Forme partage. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. ICE partage des données Medicaid avec Palantir. Before you go, one question from today's story. Who shared the Medicaid data with Palantir? Is it A. ICE, Palantir, or C. Medicaid? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.